There aren't many interesting new smartphones at CES 2018, but Samsung has got a pocket rocket in the form of the Galaxy A8. We've taken a look at what can be described as a better late than never Galaxy S8 Mini. Before CES, there were a few rumors flying around that we'd see the Galaxy S9 unveiled at the show. It's not a big shock, those were no more than tales, but Samsung did at least have a new handset to keep us occupied. The Galaxy range of devices has come a long way in a relatively short space of time and now effectively offers a cheaper and slightly lower spec version of the flagship S range, while keeping some of the key features and design traits. Although the Galaxy phone have got a lot better over the last couple of years, they have also increased in price. The Galaxy A7 2016 was £399 and this new Galaxy A8 is up on the Samsung store in the Netherlands for €499, so we expect the figure to be the same in pounds. We're glad Samsung ditched plastic in favor for a combination of glass and metal on the A range back in 2016, and that hasn't changed here. The Galaxy A8 is really not far off the Galaxy S8 in terms of look and feel. It's quite easy to confuse the A8 with its premium brother apart from a few small things. The display doesn't have the curved dual edge but does have tiny bezels, so most of the front is taken up by the screen.